Sometimes, love comes from the most unexpected people.
Seriously? Hindi ka ba marunong mag-ingat?
Nagsimula sa simple na pasulyap-sulyap, nagpapapansin sa'yo.
Hirap mo sigurong maging kaibigan.
At least, hindi ako mahirap mahalin.
They were never on the same side.
Kung may awards, pinaka-irritating na tao, panalo ka na.
At kung may award sa pinaka-drama queen, ikaw na yun.
Naramdaman ng puso na
Uy! Bakit lagi kayo magkasama? Hindi
Hindi
kami
kami
makasama.
But fate had other plans.
Wala ka ba paano? Sabay na tayo para hindi ka na mabasa.
Grabe, ang baduy.
Baduy na kung baduy. At least napangiti kita.
From hate to something neither of them expected.
Hindi ko alam kung paano nangyari, pero natutunan ko siyang mahalin.
Akala ko, lagi lang kitang aasarin. Pero, iba pala.
ngunit biglang katahimikan. Wala namang matandaan na nasabi baka sakali
Sam!
kay aking nasaktan.
Ito na kayang tanggap. Uy! Mahal kita.
Sorry, Troy.
Woy!
Ayoko na rin magpanggap. Mahal kita, Troy.
Sometimes, the person you hate the most becomes the one you love the most.
But what if destiny has more than one plan?
Troy, I like you.
Love is never simple, and sometimes the heart chooses between what it wants and what it needs.
Starring Nicole Mahunyad as Sam, Antoti Ligapatan as Troy,
From enemies to us.